Nga po sila, no? So cute. Ha? Tikoy. I don't know kung tikoy ba na. Hmm? Nga lang siya per mino. Daghan doon, Fred, no? Dito sa kilid ba, no? Nanggipahulay sila. Holy. Adrian, kanda. Adrian. Yeah. Yeah. Sa Adrian. Sa Adrian, gaita. Adrian, ada goy? Talingap. Uy, smaki good Adrian. Peace. Nga po sila, no? So cute. Ha? Tikoy. I don't know kung tikoy ba na. Hmm?
Noy!
Ibungi kay
Noy!
Prosik ka dyan, ha? Ay, careful.
Noy!
Kuya, katakot naman.
Noy! Noy!
Adrian.
Okay.
Nakain na niya.
Yeah. Kapi ka ulo.
Party, Adrian. Adrian, doon party. Yeah, si Lolo na din ta.
One more.
Party.
Maria, kay Juan, Kuya!
Lara! Dara. Ayo, sagdara pri. Hikap sa baon. Bakit lang na?
Makaya yun natin. Especially kung malapit ang pupuntahan, we might as well walk. Maglakad na lang tayo. Nakapag-exercise ka na. Nakatulong ka pa sa kalikasan. Riding echo from the vehicles. Definitely, we are friends.
Sir! Ala, ka-cute! Ala, ka-cute! Cute yan, no?
Well, motion ko lang sa nabigyan mo. President Macax, endemic in Indonesia. Macax are actually... No, there you are. Okay, now these two are back. Naka-jersey. Maglalaro sila ng basketball. But this time, this is an exhibition game. We have tourists. Who gets 3 points first? Siya ang Fernando. Choose your team. This is Team Red. This is Team Green. This is how we play basketball. Now, from the park time, it's basketball time. Basketball!
Ala!
Ready?
Ay! Ala! Ala!
2 points red team, 2 points green team. Team Manalo.
Lagi.
Just like the basketball.
Long, lucky.
Everybody say hi to Orange! Pagod sila ako, kasi medyo mainit ang panahon.
Nagubo!
Thank you so much. And that is how we behave. Okay, bakit si mga kaibigan, si Orange gusto naging action star. Kasi astig si Orange. From the Indian word, orang meaning person, and utan means forest. So literally, orangutan means person of the forest or utan. They share 97% of our DNA. Ibig sabihin, 97% similar. Halos magkapareho ang DNA structure ng mga tao at ng mga orangutan. 3% na lang, abay kamukha nyo na. Si Orange! Kaya kayo kamukha si Orange? No? Si Orange kaya, kaya kayo kamukha? Hindi, okay. Anyway, what you see, they also have 32 permanent teeth. Kapag natin mga tao, Orange, what's your teeth? Smile! 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 Yeah! Hindi ka lang si Orange. What you see, mga kaibigan, she has good values. Good values, magandang asal.
Adrian!
Sabi mo siyempre sa kanya, kanyang daddy.
Adrian! Mamahal?
Okay, si Orange kasi, pag gusto na kapag-kaibigan, he wants to be friends with you. Si Orange ay mahilig makipag-shake.
Lang, si Adrian lang.
Shake hands yan, shake it. No, that's the shake hands. There, that's the shake hands. This one, oh, diba? Stick talaga. But of course, question for the kids, hatiin na natin, are you still doing this? Ginagawa mo ba ng mga bata ito ngayon? Pag dumadating sa house, mama, tita, lola, ano ginagawa? Let's know our good boys and good girls. God bless you. Let's go to the picture. Hindi natin mawawala. Ang pagkakala sa right? But of course, kids nowadays, modernized na. Tanggap na natin yun. Hindi na masyado nagmamano kasi it's okay.
Tata, be.
Kiss na daddy. Sige na.
Ah!
Huwag daw po sa lips ako magkapalit ng mga. Who wants a kiss from Orange? Ladies, women, female, adult, volunteer who wants a kiss from Orange. Come on, ladies. Sino mo nikatin? Sino daw na? Sino daw
Bata?
Thank you so much. Nakagawa na daw sa Ako Tomato. Single? Engaged na daw siya. Ano kayo? Ma'am, may sasabihin ako sa'yo. Forever. Sige, sasabihin mo eh. Okay, sige si Ma'am, dahil kayo. Okay. Si Ma'am, engaged mo ako na. Let's go. Malapit na po kayo. Miss me. Ayun, cheese. Yeah! Sige, si Ma'am, alam niya kasi kung sino single yan diba? Wow, magaling ako ng Orange. Magaling kumis? Baka. Si Orange, magaling din umarte. Ayaw niyo maniwala. Ako maniwala kayo. He's gonna show us how good he is in acting. O, acting naman tayo, brother, ha? Take one. Ito ang sitwasyon. Pag nakarinig ng putok ng balat, putok. Ay. No. That is a good thing. Palakpakan niyo si Orange! Orange here is really such a charming and lovable orangutan. Hindi ba? Tingnan! Nagmamahal ka more serious now, okay? Orange here along with our animal ambassadors. We call them animal ambassadors because they represent their species to send a message to everybody. Una, huwag nating sirain ang kanilang natural habitat. Ang kanilang tirahan. Two, stop illegal hunting. Huwag naman natin silang papatayin. Three, stop illegal trade. Bawal magbenta at bumili ng mga endangered animals wherever you are. Kahit sino pa man kayo, wherever you go. Kahit saan man tayo makarating. Please, save the wildlife. Let us all save our species. That ends our animal pathology. So represents your Your closer encounter with our giant crocodile.
sarap po natin. Ha? Sa Adrian pa. Sa Adrian.
Ha?
Wala, oh my God. Oh my God. Ash.
Oh, gamay din yun. Wah, mana naman tadi? Ya, emang anak Fred?
Ikut Fred.
Oh. Yaks. Isang gala nag-invento na. Pwede ka ba lumasuyo po? Iya pa ipabalik. Ipalalo. Hindi na na. Uy, masuyo po na na.